Jambo everyone, my name is Rushikesh Kate. I am a Social Secretary of Maharashtra Mandal Nairobi. Upon assuming the office in April this year, in our first meeting itself, we decided to do CSR project on 1st June. Coincidentally, our senior member not only initiated the topic of CSR project on WhatsApp group, but also started active suggestion and contribution, which gave us a lot of encouragement. Being a social secretary, I was assigned to lead this project, especially areas of identifying institution in need and the type of needs. I went around various institutions to identify the extent and type of their requirements, their function and ways of operation. In the process, I interviewed various people in administration of this institute and also actual beneficiaries. All options were presented in managing committee. We all concluded to support Mogra Rescue Center, which support homeless children and save them from the risk of going to the street. It's our sincere hope that our humble contribution will be accepted by Mogra and it will assist them in humongous tasks at their hands.
हीच मुची प्रार्थनान हेच मुचे मागणी हीच मुची प्रार्थनान हेच मुचे मागणी माणसाने माणसाशी माणसा समवागणे
Jambo, 1st June, Madaraka Day, marks the day of attainment of self-rule for Kenya, our own governance for the betterment of life of our people.
But the betterment of a nation cannot be the responsibility of the government alone. We, the people, must support it in our own capacity.
We all have our own expertise and resources, part of which, if we divert towards giving back to society, it can make a huge difference.
Like other things, best results are always achieved when we work together hand in hand, keeping one motto in mind to contribute towards social cause.
Maharashtra Mandal Nairobi very well recognizes and always come forward to shoulder the responsibility in a very prominent way.
The CSR activities, we express our love and care for the people of this land, the people of our beloved Kenya. At Maharashtra Mandal Nairobi, we serve in unison to the society in the best possible way.
We cannot be the sun to light the whole world, but all of us together, lighting a small lamp of compassion in our heart, will surely make this world a beautiful place for everyone.
धर्म जाती प्रांत भाषा द्वेष सारे संपुदे एक निष्ठा एक आशा एक रंगी रंगुदे धर्म जाती प्रांत भाषा द्वेष सारे संपुदे एक निष्ठा एक आशा एक रंगी रंगुदे
Mogra Rescue Center is located at Muthaiga North along Kiambu Road. It provides shelter, food, clothing and education to around 500 abandoned homeless children. These children study at Mogra Star Academy located at Mathare. rescue center is divided into different units like babies unit, toddlers unit, junior boys and girls unit, senior boys and girl unit based on age and needs of the children. The center mainly relies on donations which come as a support from individuals and from institutions.
Because we have more mouths to feed. We have so many kids who are sick. Almost every child who comes here is sick, and we have to, we have to make sure that we take care of those kids.
The center is a home to around 50 teenage girls, looking at providing sustainable solution to the monthly need of the sanitary pads. For these girls, we donated washable, biodegradable and 100% cotton cloth pads. We arrange a short training for the girls regarding the use of the pads and overall hygiene care.
It is just the same rule. The only difference is this one you wash. It's there. It's something you can use, and it lasts for very many years, for 5 years, 4 years, depending on how you keep it clean. And then the best thing, it has the packing. So this is the packing for it. So after doing your cleaning and it's well dried, you just put it back. And then you keep it in your store or wherever your bag, whatever you use to keep your things. And this is the most sustainable way, because we normally look at, maybe today we come here visit you after maybe 6 months, or maybe after more than 6 months we are not back, or maybe the ones you do provide, sometimes they are over. So this one is very available and it is there, you have it. It has no chemicals, it's easy to use, pure cotton.
So in short, it's to say it is comfortable for the ones who have a light floor,
Yeah.
and the ones who have a heavy floor.
Yes.
And for the ones who use the long pads,
Yeah.
we have.
Yeah,
one for the-
there are different sizes. These are, you see, this is large, this is small. Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you see
Yeah.
the difference? Yes. So
So you
we've
can even
tried.
sleep.
Yeah, you can use these, you can use these. Yes, whatever you feel comfortable with. Okay?
There comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying. Oh, when it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can't go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. We all a part of God's great big family, and the truth, you know, love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's start giving. There's a choice we're making, we're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me.
So, this is Mogra,
Yes.
Mogra Children's Home. So, Mogra Children's Home was founded in 1998 by Mama Hana. She's the founder. Mama Hana, she's the founder. She started in 1998 in Madare slums.
98 or 90?
1998.
1998.
Yeah. So, but that moment there was no much division, as you can see. Was that moment we shifted from Madare to this area during post-election violence. And that's the moment she took all the children, around 116 took out her house when they were living there. That's the moment through the well-wishers we came to this other side. Mogra initially, it means named after, is a honor of mother and father, that's Moses and Grace. But I know in Asian you say Mogra is a jasmine.
Yeah, it's a flower.
Yeah, it's the flower.
Spreads fragrance.
Yeah. So this is where we host the children from age of 1 day to 17 years. And we are subdividing them into ages, as you can see them. All these children are here. We usually get children from the police, from the children protection unit, the abandonment, the Interpol police, all of them come here. And we work with well-wishers like you have come, corporate companies, and churches, temples, and even the mosque. We usually come and do their donation. We have a school in Madare, as you can see it here, the two-story building. We have given the children from the slum, which has that population, 1049. But are those children from the community and also from this area, they usually go back to school and learn. Most of the time here, when you come, you see they usually have their list of priorities, which are most of the pressing needs. Because majority of these children are abandoned, so they usually need to take formula milk. That's number 1 and 2. The foodstuff of all types, they will talk about dengue, maragwe, the cereals. And then there's foodstuffs of all types, medical care items, utility bills, And transport expenses. Transport is for our bus. You saw our bus there. Like now we're on midterm. They usually commute 3 times a day. And the most concern issue is about the medical care items and the treatment. Like we have several cases and challenges of even children who have special cases and need attention. From dentists, from eyes, and other medical issues. The lady you saw here, she is our resident clinic officer. Of course, for the children attending, we usually have a volunteer medical practitioner who usually comes.
So this bus is using, you are using for what purpose?
For transport.
For school, to go to school.
Yeah.
You have your own school here?
We have a school in Madare.
Madare, okay.
Madare.
Okay,
so
okay,
those
okay.
students from here, they commute. So that's why we say in our pressing needs, that's one of the major expenditure. Because every day you must fuel that vehicle. Here you know you have to insure that vehicle. And you have to insure the vehicle and also insure per kid. You know how it is expensive.
I have a group of friends who
Yeah.
want to do some volunteer work.
For which area?
Education.
Education. They are welcome, considering that currently during COVID times, we limit the groups with ages, but we can liaise with the office and arrange it on what time they can be here for the expertise.
Assisting you again in future as well, so that the goal of education and everything continues, and support to the children. That is the most important thing, and I think you guys are playing a very big role in the social aspect of the society.
We are much humbled and really appreciate. And that's why the moment you come here, we usually say now you are ambassadors. When you go and reach a friend, you make a change to this thing. Because as one, we cannot make it, but collectively, we can be able to manage it.
With all this, maybe I will offer you to do an eye camp here for the children.
She's a doctor.
Yes,
She's
the
a doctor.
eyes.
You are
Yes,
much welcome.
I will send
We
them
have
something.
challenges with eyes.
Yes.
Maybe you are much welcome.
So you have a card, you can give me, and then I will contact you through the hospital and we will do an eye camp.
Yeah, no problem. We have several children who have eye issues.
Yes.
This kind of numbers, that the numbers you have, it is difficult on our part to understand what your specific requirements are. But if you could share your specific requirement, that you want particular like shoes or something like that, we can always try and organize. We can always try and look with, try and find out with some people who make these kind of things and try and get donations on those type of things.
Maharashtra Mandal donated ration supplies of the whole month to the center. It included food items like rice, chapati flour, maize meal, beans, cooking fat, oil, white flour, ugali, formula milk for babies. Stationery items included notebooks, pencils, sharpeners and erasers. Toiletries like soap, sanitizer, baby diapers.
Thank you very much, Maharashtra Mandal Nairobi. Thank you for the gifts that you have brought here. We are so grateful and we say thank you very much.
So this was our initiative MMN for Kenya. Maharashtra Mandal Nairobi always puts empathy with our fellow countrymen at the first place. We as a society have undertaken many social service projects such as blood donation, food donation, tree plantation, just to name a few. This time we stood with Mogra Children's Home. We contributed foodstuff, stationery items, baby foods, diapers and sanitary pads which can be reused up to 5 years. Managing committee undertook this activity with great passion. Many individuals came forward to help us wholeheartedly in this activity. We would like to thank them all. First and foremost of them all are those members of Maharashtra Mandal who came forward with generous donations. From bottom of our hearts, we would like to thank each one of you for your monetary contributions as well as the trust you have shown in us for the utilization of your funds. We would like to extend our sincere thanks to Mr. Sandeep Patankar and EasyTech Limited for providing us transport of the goods to the site. Mr. Anil Patel and Mr. Jay Patel of Diamond Industries have provided us medicated soaps for donations free of cost. Thank you so much. A high quality stand-up banner was designed and donated to the Mandal by Mr. Anand Joshi. We appreciate your help. Mr. Amit Makwana of Millbrook Garments has sponsored fine classy t-shirts in 2 colors for all the committee members, which we all loved. We appreciate this gesture. The introductory part of this video was enthusiastically videographed by Mr. Nilesh Kharote. We truly admire your support. Mr. Hardeep Jadeja and Mrs. Pranali Jadeja of Studio 11, whom we call magicians of the camera, accepted our request to come with us to Mogra and shoot the entire event. This young couple, with their knowledge, energy and editing skills, created this wonderful video. Hardeep and Pranali, we love you and we thank you so much. Mr. Digvijay Bhoite volunteered to come with us to Mogra and helped us in different tasks. Thank you so much. We thank our senior members Mr. Raju Ghumre and Mrs. Kalpana Ghumre for gracing this occasion. Our special thanks to our ever enthusiastic Mandal trustee Dr. Mrs. Jyoti Trivedi for being with us during this event. And last but definitely not the least comes my team. Especially our dynamic social secretary Mr. Rishikesh Kate and our mentor and chairman Mr. Ajay Apte. These two managed to get all the donation stuff at cost through their various contacts. Thank you Leena, Prachi, Chinmay and Abhijit for all the help you extended. It is our pleasure to announce that Mandal will undertake the second part of this initiative, MMN for Kenya, to brighten one more place during this Diwali. Asante sana.
Tuko pamoja.
Long live Kenya.